PG Farms train, it's either in rain and snow or sunny old Colorado weather. We're always out here training and preparing people to survive the most dangerous encounters they might ever face in their life. What are you waiting for? Let's get to work.